What if I told you that starting with literally $0, you could build a $1 million investment portfolio? Not by winning the lottery, not by picking the next big stock, and not by some shady get-rich-quick scheme. Just a simple, proven, step-by-step system that has worked for thousands of ordinary people. Stay with me for the next few minutes because what you're about to hear could completely change your financial future. Let's start with something most people get completely wrong. They think building $1 million portfolio requires a huge salary, a rich family, or some secret knowledge only Wall Street insiders have. None of that is true. What it actually requires is a plan, consistency, and time. That's it. And today, I'm giving you the plan. Step 1. Build your financial foundation. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to get your foundation right. That means two things. First, eliminate high-interest debt. If you're carrying credit card debt at 20% interest, paying that off is literally a guaranteed 20% return.